Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today, we have a chicken honey mustard sub. Alright, first thing we gotta do is get some baking going. So, you want to set the oven to 300 degrees, and then just add some pepper to the bacon. Pop it in and cook until it's done. Alright, let's make the dressing for the sub. Alright, what you want to do is you want to start off by adding a quarter cup of mayo into a bowl. Then you want to add a third of a cup of Dijon mustard. And then you want to eyeball in about a quarter cup of honey. And then you want to add about a tablespoon of lemon juice, about a half a lemon. That's at least what I did. And then just want to grab a spoon and mix everything together until everything is incorporated and pour into a squeeze bottle. Okay, and now let's get to toasting up the sub bread. Basically, all I did was cut it in half and buttered it with a little bit of garlic butter. If you don't know how to make garlic butter, it's simply about a stick of butter, tablespoon of garlic, and that's it. Alright, now let's start assembly. As you can see here, nicely toasted bread, and I've got some salami on the one side. Now I'm going to add some chicken meat to the other side. You can find this at your local deli. And then you want to add a generous amount of mozzarella. And then you want to add that bacon that we baked up, because bacon makes everything better. And then basically you just want to pop this into a 400 degree oven just until the cheese melts. Kind of that's what we're going for here. So like I said, all that meat, all that cheese into the oven, 400 degrees, about 5 minutes. And after a couple of minutes, as you can clearly see, our sandwich is done. Time to add the last couple of ingredients, and got to add a little bit of shreddis here. That's iceberg lettuce that we just shredded up. And then we're going to get that dressing out and just drizzle a generous amount over the sandwich. Looks good enough to eat already. Then just take the bottom bun, put it on the top, flip the whole thing over. And we're not quite done yet, but the sandwich is now complete. Last thing to do is cut it in half. Okay, now we got our sandwich all settled in, and we're basically just going to serve this with some fries that I seasoned up with salt and pepper. And somebody asked me, why do I season with salt and pepper on French fries? Well, the answer is, you use salt and pepper on mashed potatoes, don't you? Alright, so, yeah. That's a chicken honey mustard sub. Done.